All right, hey, this is Pat, talking to you about our new HD bumper system. The one you see here is our mid-width or our grill width bumper. We offer this in a full width as well. This is a great solid steel bumper. All of these bumpers incorporate a similar design that we have in quite a few of our bumper designs, and that is our triple option front hooks. These hooks allow you to use a soft strap or a sleeve strap. You can also, it's also dual drilled, so you can use a 3/4 inch or a 7/8 inch pin. So it gives you a lot of versatility for whatever you might be running into out in the fun adventures you go on. So your recovery's all set. They take standard bottom mount winches. So most of the winches that we found in the marketplace will work with this bumper, and it's an all bolt-on piece. This bumper has a 5-year warranty. It does come in a satin textured finish, but you can see that it can be painted to match if you wanted to do a unique finish for your vehicle. The styling on this is really nice. This is made very specifically for this vehicle, so you'll notice the lines on here complement the JL quite well, how it scallops for the grill, how it fits nicely in the line of the fender. The other pieces that we put into here, you can use your factory fog lights in here, or you can use aftermarket fog lights. Also, we've incorporated in this bumper high lift jack points on both sides. Options that we offer for this HD bumper system is you can get a standard overrider, or what you see here with our X-Striker overrider. These are options for you. You can also run it without an overrider at all.
If you like this video, make sure you check out the rest of our product showcase series, as well as our Hot or Not series and our daily SEMA highlights.